spot, believe it or not. So that's interesting.
Yeah, give me a bit of audio, Drew. Let me clarify you in.
Okay, I'm trying to get you all team skills here for a minute.
Okay, that's a little bit better. Might have to tune you a slight bit more. What radio are you on today, Drew, on your side, QSL?
Oh, today we're running the Anytone, Quad 5, and stock microphone, all that fun stuff. And you're coming in rather well, and you've got a nice mellow tone with that little bit echo.
Yeah, I've got you this way too, Drew, about 7 and 9, working well this early today there, QSL.
Yeah, that's what we're getting there, 7 and 9 also with you. The audio is, again, top, you know, I mean, it's there.
Yeah, I've got you same this way, Drew. That Anytone, there's really not much part in that Anytone audio, you know, along with the Lincoln 2. They sound virtually identical on the air. So yeah, both work well there, my friend QSL.
QSL, yeah, it's like I said again, you're 5 and 9. You can hear the skip is, almost that's the other word. The skip is shooting a little weird right now. It's just starting.
Yeah, it's dropping this way a little bit at times, taking you back down to about 5, but bouncing back up 7 and 9. But the audio's there. I don't think again it's at where it should be for that you know, really good contact, but it's working, my friend. We've both got audio there, my friend QSL.
QSL, thank you. What are you running today, my friend? What are you running?
Today I'm on the quarter wave Stryker and the Delta Echo Master there. About so many whiskies, QSL.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm just running my system. I am on the Astroplane right now.
Well, it's definitely working, Drew. Try flicking it over to the Starduster. Let's see if it makes a difference today.
Okay, I got the skip starting to pulsate also, but hang in there a second. Let's go. There we go. Now we're switching over. I'm on the A400 Starduster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and flipping the switch. And now we're on. Now we're definitely on the Astroplane.
I'm not quite sure. When you flicked it to the Astroplane, you dropped a little bit this time round. Try flicking it back to the Starduster, Drew.
Yeah, but actually a little better reception. I'm on the Starduster now.
Yeah, the Starduster's definitely working a little bit better today, Drew. Probably got more snow on the Astroplane there, QSL.
QSL. Yeah, all I can say is it's the best of two worlds for me as far as the antennas go. And that switch, that tuning, you know. Oh yeah.
Yeah, there's a lot more noise today. Like you know, with the audio coming in. You know, wasn't as clear as that first time I contacted you about 3 or 4 days ago. But there's definitely more noise coming in with the audio. Probably all down to the weather again there, Drew, QSL.
Yeah, QSL, now I'm starting to get a surge from the skip again. That, you know, noise and it's coming in powers. It's diminishing your signal. So I'm going to just back off a little. Let's let it run. It's 0801 AM Eastern Standard Time in the States.
Yeah, and it's 13:01 hours in the UK, Drew. Yeah, so we'll back off a little bit on this one then, and we'll go again shortly. I did record this one as well there, Drew, QSL. Yeah, a little bit lower on the signal that time round, Drew, but still got audio there, my friend. Okay, 444, hanging 10.6. I'll wait around for a short while. 73 on this one there for a moment, Drew. Bye bye for now.